The abortion pill Mifepristone is due to be pulled off the shelves on Friday unless a federal courts issue a stay preventing a judge's order from taking effect. That's setting up a potential legal fight, which could go all the way to the highest court in the land. Nicole D'Antonio has more from the Supreme Court.
The Department of Justice has filed an appeal against a conservative federal judge's ruling, which suspends FDA approval for the abortion pill Mifepristone. Writing, if allowed to take effect, the court's order would thwart FDA's scientific judgment and severely harm women, particularly those for whom Mifepristone is a medical or practical necessity.
If the decision stands, it will put women's health at risk and undermine the FDA's ability to ensure patients have access to safe and effective medications when they need them the most.
Texas Judge Matthew Kaczmarek, a Trump appointee, ruled on Friday that the FDA improperly approved Mifepristone 23 years ago, saying it ignored legitimate safety concerns about the drug.
We think that the judge totally got it right. The FDA has to go back. It has to be transparent with the public about the studies that it relied on to make its decisions, and it's got to follow the science.
Mifepristone is one of the safest and most effective medicines that we've seen over the last 20 years to help women with their health care, especially abortion care.
A federal judge in Washington state appointed by Obama blocked any changes to Mifepristone's availability to the public in 17 states and the District of Columbia, where Democrats sued. The cases are likely headed to the Supreme Court, where the conservative majority may decide the case.
This administration stands by the FDA and is prepared for this legal fight.
Protests broke out over the weekend following the court's ruling.
This should not be normalized. This should outrage you.
Showing that abortion rights will likely remain very important to voters in next year's presidential election. Nicole D'Antonio, CBS News, the Supreme Court.
An example of that last point coming just last week, where a liberal judge running in a campaign committed to expanding abortion access in Wisconsin won an 11-point victory in a hotly contested election for that state's Supreme Court.